Hello and welcome to my latest video. In this video, you're going to find out how you can upload your Instagram TV videos via the Instagram TV app. Yes, Instagram did have an IGTV app previously before they integrated Instagram TV into their Instagram account, but you can still use it as a standalone way of uploading your videos into Instagram. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Please pop any questions that you have in the comments below. And don't forget that if you would like to follow me over on Instagram, you can find me there at _Anita_Wong. And don't forget, this video makes up a series of 3 videos all around helping you to optimize your videos for Instagram TV. So don't forget to check those out as well. You'll find them at the end of this video, just over there. This time we're going to be doing it via the Instagram TV app. As you can see on my phone, down the bottom right hand side is the Instagram TV app. So you go ahead and click that, and this is going to bring up your Instagram TV account. Now this is another way of uploading. If you want to use this way, the way you do it is you press the plus button. Preferably I prefer to go through my Instagram app or upload my Instagram TV videos via my desktop. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to upload your Instagram TV videos via your desktop in just a moment. But for now, let's just show you how to upload a video via your Instagram TV app on your mobile phone. So we're inside the IGTV app and we're going to press the plus. Again, this is going to pull the videos from your own camera roll so that you can select one to go up. It's only going to pull the ones that are long enough length. So let's go ahead and pull this one. This one is 7 minutes 25 seconds. And this one shows you how to put Messenger and how to set Messenger up. So this is a video that I prepared before. And with Instagram TV, it has to be a minimum of 1 minute and a maximum of 15 if you haven't got more than 10,000 followers. And if you have got more than 10,000 followers, up to 1 hour. So you've got your video in there. You want to go ahead and click next. Again, going through the Instagram TV app, you have the same procedures. You can choose to upload a thumbnail from your camera roll, or you scroll across until you get to a part of your video that you're happy with. So if I go down here, maybe I might just do that one there. It's quite nice. It shows a few bits. Click next. And then you are at the point where we were before. You put your title in, so how to use Messenger, and then you put your description. Once you've done your description, you add your hashtags in. Remember, up to 30. You can add your video to a series, so you can add it to a series just the same as a playlist, exactly the same as we just did when you uploaded it via your Instagram app. So we can just pop it into one of the playlists here. If you don't have a series for this, you go ahead and click New Series, press Create. Instagram TV will allocate it to that series. Go ahead and press Done. Again, I don't want to share this as a preview onto my feed, but you can if you want to. It's entirely up to you. If you do want to, you just go ahead and press Preview. You can edit the preview. That basically means where it's going to start in the first minute. So if I wanted it to start maybe there, it will start at that point and then it will play. Click Save. Edit cover. Again, you can choose what you want to show. So that's quite a cool little cover. Maybe I can just leave that like that. Press Save. Now what I've done is I've popped it into Instagram TV via the Instagram TV app, but I'm asking it to share it for me inside of my Instagram my Instagram app onto my newsfeed, that grid of 9 squares. That's very, very crucial for that eye stopping, and also the 9 squares that people will visit when they click through to your profile. Once you're happy, again, you just go ahead and click Post, and it will upload your video to your Instagram TV account via your Instagram TV app. And as you can see, your video is successfully posted on IGTV, and actually Instagram wants you to share it to your story as well. So if you wanted to share it directly to your story to give it even more exposure, you could go ahead and click Share to Story.